Does the escape speed of the body from the Earth depend on the mass of the body? B. Bit, the location from where it is projected, and C. the direction of projection, and D. the height of location from where it is launched. So we'll see. We know the escape velocity formula of Earth is given by V escape velocity is equals to under root 2 gr. Small g is the gravitational constant. You can take it as 9.8 into 9.8 meters per second square or 10 meters per second square, and r is radius of the Earth. Since the escape velocity depends only upon the reference of gravitation and radius, so escape velocity is depending on the reference of the potential energy. So it only depends upon the height of the location. Okay. So when you see the first point, it does not depend on the mass of the body, so it is given as no. And the location from where it is projected, so it doesn't depend on the location from where it is projected. And the direction of projection, you cannot take the trajectory path also. And next, the height of location from the body where it is launched. Because it is launching, it needs to be escaped from the Earth's surface. So yes. So point D is correct.